All right, so today I thought that I would teach you how to make almond milk. And when we were transitioning from cow's milk to almond milk, I would buy it at the store. And what I found was some of my family, they liked what I was buying at the store, but others hated it. And so it was really hard to transition. But since I started making my own almond milk, everyone in my family loves it. And they actually prefer it now over cow's milk. It's super easy and it's relatively inexpensive, especially if you will buy your almonds online and buy them in bulk. So the first thing that you have to do is you need to get a cup of almonds. And I actually am doubling the recipe, so I have 2 cups here. And you put them in a bowl and you cover them with water and you let them soak overnight. And I've also put in here some dates. The dates that I have, they're older, so they're hard. And so I put them in to soak with the almonds so that they can get soft too. So after you let them soak overnight, you're going to drain and rinse them. You just rinse them off with cold water. And after they've soaked overnight, the almonds are nice and plump. So with the dates, the ones that I have, they still have their seed inside. So I remove those and I'm going to put them in the water. And you need 5 cups of water for 1 batch of the recipe. So it's 1 cup of almonds, 2 dates, and 5 cups of water. Okay, and so you put it into your blender, and then in addition to that, you give it a dash of salt. And I don't usually measure my vanilla. The recipe calls for a teaspoon, but I just add a squirt. And then you blend it. So I have a Blend Tech blender, which is a high-speed blender. And so it doesn't take very long. I put it onto the smoothie mix and I blend it twice. Okay, so that was once. Now we'll do it again. Okay, so after it's blended up twice, we're gonna then separate the milk from the pulp. And so I bought a pitcher that I got at Walmart, and I just use a dish towel that is clean, but you can also buy a nut bag on Amazon. But I drape my towel inside of my pitcher and I start pouring, and it usually will drain pretty quickly in the beginning, but once the pulp starts to collect, then it takes a little bit of work on my part. Okay, one of the things that helps is a spoon. You just start stirring it along the bottom of the towel, and it helps the water, the milk to go through. Pour some more in. One more. Now, if you don't want to have your almond milk sweetened, if you're going to use it with cooking, then you can leave out the dates and just do the almonds with a dash of salt, and also leave out the vanilla. Okay, so I've gotten it to a point where it's not really traveling through the towel very well. So I gather up the towel and pull it up so that I can hold on to it. And then I just start squeezing it to help bring out all of the milk. You have to be kind of careful when you do this because I have burst through my towels before. I've popped them. Okay, so then once you've squeezed out all of the liquid that you can get, then you can use the pulp that's left over. Some people like to mix it in their food or dry it out, but you can also just throw it away. So anyway, after you do that, then you have your almond milk. And I usually put it in the refrigerator to chill, and then we use it on our cereal. So that's how you make almond milk.